Welcome to the 24th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about some general things. This Wizarm.net project have basically this brief templates for all the countries. Here you see this content brief about the specific country. It has same content brief templates for the different countries in Asia, in North America, and for the Europe. That's why you will need to decrease the amount of differences between different type of countries or the different type of entities from the same type. For a certain type of countries, sometimes economy or sometimes policy or sometimes the famous artist might actually be important for other countries. In a different countries, it is searched with a different importance. So we prioritized based on the specific attributes. This anchor text here is the same for all the countries, but according to our root, rare or unique attributes, it might be changing. If this specific question we write according to the query network, after publishing, if we see it's missing the feature snippet, we change the position of this question across all content brief templates for the countries. This process is basically called the quick configuration process. You can change even 100 pages like this. All of these pages just change the place of the two questions, or you can add two more questions focusing on this specific type of attribute or the query terms that involve the entities and the attributes. For example, this query is exist for Germany but not for the France. Still, in the context of synthetic search queries, the search engine will actually using the same queries or the combined queries for the entities from the same type. For instance, religion in France might not be the query that has been searched by the user, but if it is searched for Germany, it will be a phrase taxonomy or the phrase sequence that you will be able to use inside the headings or the structure. The purpose of creating these specific briefs is that when you write the article from these briefs, you have the overall picture, what you prioritize, what you write in a what format. You can change in the future after getting the feedback from the search engine. One more thing that you always remember, we are creating the semantic content network for all the entities from the same type. Then during the content configuration, according to the unique attributes, we add more things, especially in the case of e-commerce. For example, if I create a one content brief template for one product, it performs well, but for other product, it does not perform as previous product. So in this case, we find the distance or the differences and then we continue to configure it further. And in the next lecture, we see another project. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.